Disney on Ice 2024 delivered pure magic, but the Frozen performance was truly unforgettable. The arena transformed into a glittering winter wonderland as Elsa, adorned in her iconic blue gown, glided onto the ice to the familiar tune of Let It Go. Her movements were graceful and powerful, embodying the struggle and triumph of her journey. The bond between Elsa and Anna is beautifully portrayed as they skate in perfect harmony, their connection palpable. Olaf brought a touch of humor, eliciting giggles from the crowd, while Kristoff added a sense of adventure. As Elsa unleashed her powers, snowflakes shimmered, creating a breathtaking visual spectacle. The young and old audience was completely captivated, gasping in awe as the scene unfolded. The finale saw the entire cast joining Elsa on the ice, celebrating unity and love. The vibrant lights, soaring music, and skilled performances created an atmosphere of pure enchantment. Applause erupted as the audience was left spellbound, their hearts warmed by this iconic tale of family and self-discovery. Disney on Ice 2024 wasn't just a show, it was a magical experience that transported everyone into the heart of Disney's beloved stories. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe.